Hello and welcome to day 19, Vlogmas day 19. It's getting very near to Christmas. Right, so the Crochet Society blanket. Well, there you are. This is, I went out last night and I hadn't done the blanket, and then this morning I've been rushing doing it. So I've done 8 of the 10 rows, so I need to finish that off. But we're, you can see it was a lovely mosaic again, which is the same as that bit there. So very similar colours actually, but not quite, slightly different shades. Yes, so I've got to finish the last 2 rows on that, but let's open the drawer and see what colours what colour we'll be using today. So I'll just turn you round and we'll find day 19. Right, so day 19. Oh, that was a bit stiff. I thought for a moment that was going to be stuck in there. Right, so it's a beige colour and it's called Fudge. So yeah, Fudge. And oh, we've got a iron-on badge, Crochet Queen. So you could put that on a bag or a jacket. But yes, that's very nice. Okay, so this means that we will be using this colour, and we will be using, where we've done the yellow there, it will be this fudge colour on this one. So that is what we're meant to be doing. So I need to get cracking with that this afternoon. Right, I'm back. It's about 7 in the evening. I didn't get to do any more on the crochet blanket because my son and my daughter-in-law, the ones that are expecting their baby in 1 day now, turned up, and I gave them the hamper that I did yesterday for them. So they've taken that, and still no signs of the baby coming. So we're just waiting. So I didn't get anything done. They've just left, and we're gonna have something to eat, and I might do a bit of crocheting in front of the telly. But I thought I'd show you what I plan to do tomorrow, which hopefully I will have in tomorrow's video. And these are some. I bought some of these globes. I got them off Amazon, and I think they were $5.99 for 4, and that's what they look like. They unscrew. And what I plan to do is I've bought some artificial snow, and I've bought some little ornaments. There's Father Christmas is in there, there's a tree, some presents, some bells. So the plan is that I'm going to make up some snow globes for the grandchildren. And I plan to make 6. I've got these 4, and then I got 2 bigger ones that I've got ordered from Hobbycraft for the older ones. So that's the plan, and hopefully I'm going to make a start on them tomorrow, and I'll do that. I'll show you in a video of me doing that. But that's really the end of today because I've just run out of time. But thanks for joining me, and hopefully tomorrow I'll have more to show you. Bye for now.